This is the again I am creating the video of my lane where I live, and you can see from this that even though this has been Diwali badly hit by the COVID, but look at the lighting done by the people. It is just mesmerizing. It seems like that the entire lane, and this is the scene throughout the over the India, or particularly in the parts of northern India, that each and every house is set up like a bride. It's a bride, and the burning of the firecrackers has been going on relentlessly, and it is not a violation of any code. It is just that we are living in a country where each and every culture is respected, and particularly the sentiments of the Hindus should be respected, and for that matter for any other community also, but it should not be, we should not be reprimanded and castigated. See the lightning, the magnificent lightning just illuminating and coruscating and creating such a wonderful view, scenic view, and it is absolutely mesmerizing. Means after doing my puja and complete ablutions, you can see that how it is, and you can see it is just one of the great scenic views to be admired, and I am totally engrossed by this captivating display. And this display is nothing else but it keeps on urging the people that yes, we should stick to our culture, we should never forget our culture. And Deepavali, I think, arguably is the most celebrated festival on earth. Even though Hinduism and Sikhism, in Hinduism and Sikhism, and in Sikhism it is Bandi Chhod Divas, and in Hinduism it has many so-called you can look at the way in which the entire galaxy, or the entire each and every household has been just splattered with glory. And see, it is just mesmerizing to behold, and it's so peaceful, tranquil, and I think it will go up anytime. It is a wonderful view, and I am very proud of my country, my culture, my people, and Deepavali sums up India. Nowhere in the world you will witness such intensity, the magnitude, the greatness. It is a amalgamation of so many cultures, but still the Sanatan Dharma has retained its pristine glory. It has not been subdued, it has not been trampled or eviscerated by any other culture. It has retained its essence from the Vedic time and the amalgamation of many indigenous faiths. And each and every state in India has its own unique culture, but such festivals like Deepavali, it retained its glory. See, such wonderful lighting, the lighting which will definitely steer you up, that you should feel proud of your culture, of its essence and its glory and its wonderful scenic can't be negated by anything. So this is the video, and slowly and steadily we will reach anything like this. That's it. Thank you.